US stock UV light sanitizer with ozone model, 58-watt disinfection lamp with remote control UV germicidal lamp sterilizer for car, living room, bedroom, household, kitchen, hotel, pet area, office, black. US stock 3 to 7 working days delivery. Most of the packages would arrive at your place within 3 to 7 days from California. Share protection with your friends and colleagues. Believe that everything will be better. Wish you all safe and sound. Don't hesitate, add it to cart, give you and your family the best protection. Widely used in many spaces, it's a germicidal lamp with the dimension 18-13-13-48 cm 23 cm 23 cm, suitable for the small space like office, living room, store, car, bedroom, kitchen, shoes cabinet, washing room, baby room, pet house, toilet, and much more space you desire to purify. Ozone model, unlike other UV lights which depends on the UV light heavily, which means they will not work as expected when furniture blocks the way of the UV light. Gemoor UV Sanitizer light can generate ozone all around the room to sterilize without barrier. Ozone will do harm to the human body, so please ventilate the room for 30 minutes after use. Remote control, including the remote control timer that can be set for 15, 30, 60 minutes according to the different area. It will turn off automatically after finishing the disinfection. Safe to control the device within 10 meters. Important note, the device will emit very strong UVC light, which will be harmful to your health, so please don't stay close with this light after it turns on, including your pet, plant and others. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.